one. This is for the dog. Fish oil. Para ano yung here, may blue. Blue. Got here blue. Oh, that's a blue eyes, guys. You have also there the Mars. This one. So, Mars. It's a Mars. There's also a Siberian Husky. Puro lang na siya. You have also there, guys. There's Bingo, Golden Retriever, and si Love, and si Pluto. Kami Pluto. There's a Pluto, guys. Hello mga ka-dog lovers. So, dagan ako nalaga no, mga ka-dog lovers. Kailangan na ng duming may take care. If you lover of dog, you must know how to take care of your dog, guys, mga ka-dog lovers. Okay, bye-bye. God bless you all.